Hello, this is a video tutorial on how to edit the Ren'Py Dialogue System. Right now, this is the default system where you have the text and the people, and this is the background with this ugly next button. So how can we do that? I designed the system to be highly customizable, so I will walk you through how to customize it. If you're wondering how to use the system, I'll link the video down in the description and it's in the card right now, and that's how to use it. It's basically similar to Ren'Py in terms of coding. So let's get to the customization. So I have this art piece here on the top right corner, and I want to use it as my text box instead of this see-through. So how to do that? You would go to the add-on and you will go to the dialogue system and you will open the dialogue system scene. When you click it, you will be in the scene and you can see the placeholder with the text and everything. The reason I made it this way is to make it easy for you to modify it. So the convo box is responsible for this ugly background. So we're going to change it from style box flat to style box texture. And then I will pick my texture. In my case, it's this chat box. And then I will go to the sub-region and I will edit the region. The reason I'm editing the region is to decide how much of it is going to be stretched. And basically, I don't want these icons to be stretched, so I'm gonna move the sub-region away from them. I don't want the corners and the back to be stretched either, and I don't want the left side to be stretched either. So this looks good. So this area here, this area here are stretchable, which is fine because they are exactly the same. And I will close it. And as you can see already, it looks good. If I save it and I run the code and I hit talk, you can see it's already looking better. Now, how can you modify the next button? The next button is simply this button here, the next combo button. You can either make it flat, add an icon, delete the text. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and give it an image. So I have this very simple next arrow button that I want to use. So let's go ahead and do that. The first way I'm going to show you, it's simply just changing the icon by clicking there, picking the icon, and then it appears next to the text. If you remove the text, you only have the icon, and you can simply change the size of your button. Let's make it bigger by changing the minimum size to whatever size we need. Let's make it 50 by 50. That would make the button bigger, and then we can make the art as well bigger by centering the icon and centering it vertically and expanding it. And you can see it's supposed to be pixelated, but it's fuzzy, so I can just go down to the texture and change it to nearest map. And that will be it. And I can also hit flat to make the button just look flat. And now if I run the code, you can see the button here changed. Same thing, if you want to customize any of these items, you can very simply go to the dialogue system and figure out the scene. For example, the input, go to the input scene, change it. The menu, go to the menu scene and change it. The only thing with the menu scene is you won't be able to see the choices until you actually write a code because it's not going to appear here, it's auto-generated. So you will just have to kind of change it blindly or just add couple choice items as an options like buttons. It's because if you look at the code, you're basically adding a button. So that's simply how to modify the Ren'Py system. I left a link to the system in the description below just in case if you couldn't find it in the asset store. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.